Hello friends, in this video, we will discuss about the admission procedure for MBBS, BDS and BSc Nursing with the ESIC IP quota through NEET UG 2024 counseling process. You will get the admission into MBBS, BDS and BSc Nursing only through All India Quota Counseling. This All India Quota Counseling is going to be conducted by MCC Medical Counseling Committee, and this is the official website link for this MCC All India Quota Counseling. The students, those who want to join through this ESIC IP quota, you have to apply for All India Quota Counseling. During application filling, you have to opt or you have to choose ESIC option. Then only your application will be considered under ESIC quota. Then you will get the admission in ESIC quota based on your priority list. Okay. Next, here you can see, in addition to the academic documents, you have to get migration certificate from your own state intermediate or 10+2 or equivalent examination board official website in online only, unless CBSE board. Suppose if the student belong to CBSE board, no need to get the migration certificate. That migration certificate you need to submit at the time of joining at allotted college. Okay. Here you can see this is for Karnataka state migration certificate online application process. In this way, in your own state, you have to apply for migration certificate in online. If the allotted college is from Tamil Nadu state, then you need to submit migration certificate and also eligibility certificate at the time of admission. You can get these two certificates from Dr. MGR Medical University, Chennai, only in online. And also you can see here, this is the official ESIC official website. In this, you please go through this admissions tab. Here you can see latest notifications in this tabular format. The latest notification is from ESIC Medical College and Hospital, Alwar, Rajasthan on 4th July 2024. Click on this. Then you can see they have given the same prospectus released by Delhi, ESIC headquarters Delhi. They have placed in this website. Okay. In the same way, when you click on this ESIC Medical College and Hospital KK Nagar, Chennai, you can see here the complete information they have given in this notification. Suppose if you get the admission in this Tamil Nadu ESIC colleges, then you have to follow all these instructions carefully before you go to report at the allotted college. Okay, they are saying that after you get the allotment, you need to report at the allotted college between 9:15 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. and collect the admission token from the register counter. After 10:30 a.m., tokens will not be issued. If any student fails to report before last date indicated in their allotment letter, her admission will stand cancelled at the same time and the same will be intimated to concerned authorities. So the students, you must be careful in reading all these general instructions and you should note it down all these instructions and should follow very carefully. And also they are saying that you should get the eligibility certificate from Dr. MGR Medical University only. And regarding this sixth point, CD, DVD should be covered and named containing soft copies of all original certificates or documents 100 to 200 kilobytes in PDF in color scan. Folder containing the scan copy of certificates should be named without spelling error. So, for Tamil Nadu ESIC medical colleges, at the time of admission, you need to submit either CD or DVD with soft copies of all original certificates or documents in PDF format only, and the size should lie between 100 to 200 kilobytes only, and all the scanned documents only in color scan. And the folder containing the scanned copy of certificates should be named without spelling error. Okay, so like this, you should read all these instructions carefully and note it down in notebook. Then accordingly, you should follow the rules at the time of admission. Clear? And here you can see the required documents to be submitted at the time of admission. The first one is allotment order, NEET examination hall ticket, NEET scorecard, TC intermediate or 10+2 TC, 10th class marks list, intermediate or 10+2 marks sheet, community certificate, this is caste certificate. Suppose if the community is OBC or EWS, then you have to submit the latest OBC and EWS certificates only. Income certificate, migration certificate, eligibility certificate, nativity certificate, certificate on administration of hepatitis B vaccination, Students' passport size photographs 8 copies with white background with professional attire, copies of ID proof, Aadhaar card or voter card, anything, printed bond in 100 rupees stamp paper, bond to be signed in front of college authorities only. Next, original and copy of Aadhaar card of student parents surety signing the bond. Copies of 2 sets of all original certificates including allotment order. Next, DD, original receipt of payment of fees through SB collector. Filled in affidavits for IP quota female candidate. IP PASHAN card original or copy of IP quota. Next, ward of IP certificate for IP quota original and copy. Next, CD or DVD and plastic folder to keep all these original certificates. Candidate's bank passbook copy. First page with the photo attested by bank manager. Candidate's bank account should be in active status with Aadhaar seeded. Next, updated Aadhaar. Candidate's name, DOB and date of birth in Aadhaar card should match with the details in their SSLC, HSC and TC recent mobile number to be updated in Aadhaar. And here you can see ESIC fee structure also. If you receive the allotment through IP quota, then you need to pay 24,000 rupees only per year. For other candidates, 1 lakh rupees university fee. As for university norms only, you should pay the university fee. In addition to this, 24,000 rupees and 1 lakh rupees. The student has to pay only for 4.5 years. Okay, and you can see the format of bond also. Like this, you should see all these notifications and should note down the important information in your notebooks and follow accordingly. Okay, I hope you got the information in All India Quota Counseling for part of IP certificate approved candidates. Okay, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.